Hello viewers. Today we are going to talk about top 5 most dangerous bridges. Number 1. Agule du Midi. Agule du Midi is a popular tourist destination, and can be directly accessed by cable car from Chamonix, that takes visitors close to Mont Blanc. The name literally translates as needle in the midday, and is approximately 12,000 feet high. Crossing the bridge from one peak to the other is not for the faint of heart. Number 2. Mount Titlis Bridge, Switzerland. It is believed to be the highest elevation suspension bridge in Europe. It broke the record held by Salbit Bridge, also located in Switzerland. Holding the record for the highest suspension bridge in Europe, at about 10,000 feet above sea level, the Mount Titlis Bridge will certainly push your limits and test your fear of heights. Number 3. Husseini Suspension Bridge. This bridge known as the most dangerous bridge in the world. It is located at Upper Gojal Hunza, with a beautiful background. Husseini Bridge, it's not only hanging, it's swinging. Thrilling and markedly scary. It's very scary bridge for tourists to try. But, for locals this bridge is a medium for their daily commutation. Tourists say, it's not easy to walk on 4 inches wooden planks with 12 inches interval between them. One needs courage to cross it. If you are not afraid of the height, this experience is really worthwhile. Number 4. Baitum River Bridge. Located in Siberia, the Baitum River Bridge is one of the most spectacular bridges in the world. It's an old train bridge crossing the Baitum River which leaves drivers precariously navigating a tiny 6-foot wide path. Its old metal structure is covered with rotting wooden planks, which can be slippery due to frequent ice in the area. Only a few people have ever successfully crossed this shaky bridge. The bridge is not wide enough for a car, and has no railings. It's made of wood and not in a very good condition. It will take a good 3 minutes to drive across it if you're a skilled driver. This would surely make a nail-biting drive for those brave enough to traverse it. Anyone trying to cross the bridge is forced to make repairs themselves. Number 5. Plank Road in the Sky, China. Mount Hua is located near the city of Huayin, in Shaanxi Province, about 120 kilometers east of Xi'an. The Plank Road on the south peak of Mount Hua is considered to be the most dangerous place on the mountain range. The Plank Road refers to the walkway excavated and paved on cliffs. It is dangerous enough to challenge your courage. One will get to experience exciting and different terrains while trekking. The climbers must scale several steep cliffs with only a linked chain for support. However, once on the top, the views are really spectacular. Which one would you be interested to attempt? Comment below. Thanks for watching.